that doesn't look as wonky as it did. Hello everyone, Jenna here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I made a video. I just got home from a wedding, and I was supposed to do this earlier today, but it's my Owlcrate unboxing for the September box. Which, wow, I'm totally blanking on the theme. I think it was like Master of Disguise, Masquerade, I don't know, something like that. Something to do with that sort of stuff. Now, if I can get this open, we'll be good to go with an unboxing. Yeah, I haven't posted a video in a while, and there's like reasons for that. With work. And I don't know why I never bring scissors over here, but I never do. But how's everyone's month of September going so far? It's almost over. Woohoo! I went to a wedding. That was fun. I just got home from said wedding. I was supposed to unbox this before going, but things happened. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I got one of the new boxes. Hopefully I didn't show my address in any of that, but I don't think I did. Alright, let's see. Here's what's inside, sort of. Yeah, Master of Disguise. This is the spoiler card. I couldn't remember. I was like, it's been a while. I don't remember. Okay. Let's move all that stuff out of the way. Ooh. Okay, this looks like tea from like all the pictures. Okay. Ooh. So we got bath soap. Foaming bath soak. Cool. I don't have a bathtub. That's cool. Okay. Oh, hey, look, gloves. Fingerless gloves. Honestly, though, can you add fingers to them? Because I would have, like, really needed this at the wedding I was just at, because it's outdoors. And today's also the first day of fall. So there's that. I was like, oh. Okay, but this is cool. Oh, no, it's just fingerless. Okay. I was like, I could really use gloves right about now. My feet are still cold. I was wearing sandals, too. Ooh, there's the pen. Okay. Ew. Ooh. Chapstick. Is that nail polish? That's cool. I don't know what this book is. Graham Lovelace. I have never heard of that book. Okay. Anyways. Ooh, mug. I know. It's a Harry Potter mug. Ooh. I solemnly swear that I'm about to do good. I know they're doing a set of mugs for Owlcrate for like Harry Potter. They're starting with my favorite book. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I'm going to treasure this forever. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Look, there's Harry, and the Dementors, and his Patronus, and the Whomping Willow. There's even Scabbers. Oh, I love it. It's my favorite Harry Potter book, too, so I'm glad they started that with that. Oh, and then there's this art card. Ooh. And finally, the book. Which is Mirage. By Samaya Dayoud. Okay, first of all, this book covers absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Fancy. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay. And it's signed by the author. Ta-da! Okay. Let's read the note. Dear Owlcrate reader, Mirage is my debut novel, but it's not the first book, I've written. It is, however, the book I've always wanted to write. Set on a distant planet in the galaxy, far away and filled with glittering courts, romance, and danger. It is led by a character I did not expect. A poet. Ooh, that's different. In Arabic, a poet is called Sha'ir, one who knows, and that poetic knowledge comes from a space within which straddles inspiration and the divine, lending them knowledge that goes beyond what mere mortals know how to expect. As you read Mirage, I hope that you find the characters and their words as inspiring as I did, and that their journey leads you somewhere divine. That is cool. I actually really like this book cover. Like, look at that. That is pretty. Okay. Let's look at the spoiler card. Okay. As you return from your secret mission, use the beautiful exclusive bath soak inspired by the diabolic, which I've never read. And most of the time I'm like, I've never read this, and I don't have a bathtub, so I can't really use that. You're an honorary member of the Crow Club. Wear your exclusive fingerless gloves, and you have to. I don't care about that. I know it's 6 o'clock, but bruh, I'm gonna use these anyways because I get new gloves. Like, here's the deal with me and gloves. I get new gloves every fall and winter, and then I lose them. So yay, new gloves. And then we simply had to include this special exclusive ceramic mug inspired by Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, illustrated by the talented artist. Kara, can you spot all the marauders in this scene? Ooh! Let's see. Oh, there's Sirius. There's Pettigrew. Remus, of course, and then obviously James. I you get, yeah. I didn't see that. Like, obviously, iconic scene. Obviously, we know who that is, and then, yeah, obviously. I say obviously. I love this mug. It will go great with my other mug. Okay, use your apple mint lip balm to deceive princes and assassins alike. By the kiss of deception, which I've never read, but my lips get chapped in the winter. So, what flavor is it? Ooh, apple spearmint. That sounds interesting. I don't know, if it seems like I'm not into it today, I'm like really tired. This wedding, like, we even left early, we didn't get dinner, and I literally got home and was like, I'm filming this because I want to today. This smells really good. I know I didn't really put it on right, but okay. Okay, that's from Shapes of Magic, which I've never read. The art print is from that. I know, I'm not really reading it today. Yeah. Let's see what the theme for next month is, which is Lost in the Bookstore. Ooh. An exclusive pair of socks from out of print. That's neat. That's neat. And then, yeah, we have, okay. Oh, it shows the difference in the covers. sometimes they're subtle difference, sometimes they're big difference. Like last month was a big difference. Okay. So we got our little lip balm, our bath soaky stuff, our ceramic mug, our fingerless gloves, 6 Pro gloves, our ad for this book with nail polish, our art print, and this beautiful book, which I can't wait to start reading. I'm probably going to read this next. Okay. That is it for today. I'm going to go now. I'll see you guys later. Bye.